Today I just wanted to do a quick video on removing the lever shock absorbers from this truck, which are the same on the front, are the same as my 2R5 half-ton truck, and they have the same type of lever shock absorbers on the rear end too, and they come off the same way. What the biggest thing to note is for the front you have two bolts here, same as in the back. They'll take a 3/4 inch wrench to do that. On the front there's actually mounted right here to the frame where you can remove this mounting point for the lever shock absorber. On the rear axle, this is actually welded to the rear axle, so you would just actually take the lever arm itself off. And so with that, I'm just going to remove this. I would recommend taking this one off first, just because you need the leverage to remove that nut, which is a 5/8 nut, and then that just pops right out like that. And then to remove the lever itself, you got two 3/4 inch bolts that you can find on the inside of the frame here, and they actually didn't come out that easy when I first took them out. That's the lever shock absorber there. There's the 3/4 inch bolt that mounted it. So I hope this video helps you.